Can you flip a Saatva mattress? If you're considering buying a Saatva mattress and wondering whether you can flip it to extend its life or change the comfort level, let's break it down. Most Saatva mattresses are designed to be one-sided, meaning they are not meant to be flipped. The construction of these mattresses typically includes a thick, firm support layer at the bottom and one or more layers of foam or other materials on top for comfort. Flipping these mattresses would not work well because the support core is too firm to rest on directly, and the comfort layer does not provide enough support to keep the mattress in its proper shape. However, there are a couple of exceptions within the Saatva range. The Zenhaven and the Saatva Youth mattresses are specifically designed to be flippable. The Zenhaven mattress features both luxury plush and gentle firm comfort levels in one mattress, allowing you to flip it if the original comfort level isn't right for you. The Saatva Youth is a dual-sided inner spring mattress designed for children, offering different comfort levels on each side. For the majority of Saatva mattresses, including models like the Saatva Latex Hybrid, flipping is not recommended. These mattresses are engineered to provide optimal support and comfort without the need for flipping. Instead, regular rotation is advised to ensure even wear and extend the mattress's lifespan. So to sum it up, if you have a standard Saatva mattress, it's best not to flip it. But if you have the Zenhaven or the Saatva Youth, flipping is an option to adjust the comfort level. Always check the specific recommendations from Saatva for your particular mattress model.